Down, no. You see? Swimming, don't touch the water. Oh, oy. Oh, don't touch the duck, oh. See? Put the baby right at the back. Oh, you see? Swimming the duck. Leave the duck alone, na leave. Put there only, ah. The duck will ride. Baby, put there at the back of the mama duck. Oh, don't touch the water, ah. You watch only the duck, you watch. Like this, oh, you push the duck, push. Push. Yes. Nice. Nice, Talia. Why? Go and get. Never mind, never mind. Okay? Oh, enough na? That's enough, ah? Okay. Okay. Swimming pa rin? Okay. Enough na, ah?
Yes, pa.
Look, tumba na the duck. Oh, where's your star? Show me the star. Hala, erase na the star. I'll see. I'll see. Hala, it's wet na your star. Come. Let's sleep na.
Wash your hand tayo.
Allah, the star will be removed if you wash your hands. Swimming the baby.
Apo.
Right at the back, the baby. Oh, enough na, ah?
This that's it.
Not yet.
Apo.
We'll eat na, ah? Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? What's that?
Pick up fish.
Oh, the fish only. Don't, not this one, ah. You, gimme. Fish only, put the fish. Like that. Oh, plenty fish. Oh, put there. Papa will eat na also. Oh. Okay? Oh, no more?
This pa.
Don't put that one, ah. Don't put that in the water. Only the fish, okay? Okay. Okay. Oh, put that one down the side. Put that one on the side. Gimme. Okay, don't put this in the water. Okay, oh. Okay, pull. Oy, nahulog na duck. Oh. Slowly, ah. You pull slowly lang. Oh, okay, go. You pull. Slowly. Oh, there na, oh. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Oh, you pull again the other one. You pull also the other one. Oh. Plenty, ah. Oh, come here. Wait. You pull. Nice. Oh, you pull. Ay, tumba. Kawawa the duck. Toink.